Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be modifying my headlights by making a custom eyelid with this 5D carbon fiber wrap. Now the steps are very simple. We're going to go to the car, we're going to make a masking edge so we can have a straight line, and thereafter we're going to cut this to size and we're going to place this on the car and use a squeegee so we can have something different. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because the actual eyebrow on my headlight is faded, that you cannot enhance. That's because it's underneath the actual lens plastic. So no matter how much of headlight restoration you're going to do, it's not going to come back new again. It's always going to have that faded look. So flaw on the headlights part, but that's nothing we can't fix. So let's go ahead and let's use this. Let's put this on the car. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take the masking tape and I'm going to put a line straight across underneath this eyebrow so that it'll have a nice neat edge, so that when I apply the vinyl I'll know where to stop and where the edge actually ends. So let's get started with this. Let's put this tape on, then we can get working on the vinyl. All this we're going to be tucking in all up over here so that it's not seen from when the bonnet is closed. And make sure all here is clean, but let's get started with the tape first so that we can get step one out of the way. Okay, now that that's done, we have the edge that we want. We're going to measure the vinyl to cover this entire side, and we're going to clean up any excess, any dirt that's here, so that the vinyl adheres properly. It does not have to go all the way to the edge, just so much that you can actually, so when you close the bonnet, you won't see the actual lens itself. Not like anyone's going to go look over here in the meantime, but you just wanted to give it a nice aesthetic. You just want it to be done properly. So we're going to do this side here, and I'm going to do the passenger side off camera, and I'm going to show everything once it's done. And I'll let it be recording while I'm busy. If not, I'll just throw some snaps at the end. So yeah, let's get started. For the actual cutting of it, the measurement, we're going to use 10 centimeters of this, the vinyl actually going across, and this is a 1/2 meter roll. So we're going to use that as our guide. I take the scissors, we're going to cut on the line here, just so we can have enough. We don't want too much that we can't work with it, nor do we want too little that's going to be short. So give yourself some extra leeway. I'm using this as I feel it should be enough. So we're just going to do this, and we're going to put it on, see how it looks. Alright, that's there. We have our vinyl in our hand. Let's go ahead and try it on the car. Okay, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to spray down up on the headlight with a little bit of water so that the vinyl doesn't adhere at the same time. We want to be able to move it so that we are able to get it in the right position. Then also on the back of the vinyl, we're going to wet it as well, just so that we have enough. Also on the vinyl, it has a protective cover, a protective layer, so that it doesn't get scratched when it's in the store and whatnot. So we're just going to go over here, layer it, so we can work with it now. Alright guys, so this is what it is, the finished product on the passenger side, but this has to be redone, but it shouldn't be very long. This just it's just a piece I need to redo on this one here, but the driver side is fine. Everything looks great. The light output isn't disrupted at all, so that's fine. It's a bit dark, so as you can see, but otherwise yeah, I'm happy with how it came out. So yeah, if you want this done to your vehicle, you can also do it at yourself. Just follow the video and try not to make the mistake I did by trying feeding it into here. Just take your time, get it to settle in, let it relax first, and then just get it from there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it informative, give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.